Hello friends, in the series on the income tax cases, today we will discuss an issue on the addition made by the learned assessing officer during the assessment proceedings under section 69. 69 talks about the unexplained investment addition, which broadly says that if the assessee had made some investments and the assessee is not able to prove the source of that investment, then in that case, the learned assessing officer can make the addition under section 69. In the present case, the assessee has purchased some land, and at the time of the purchase or at the time of the execution of the purchase deed, the payment was not honored by the assessee. So the assessing officer assumed that the assessee has made this payment in cash, and so he accordingly made the addition under section 69. If the assessee is able to prove that the payment has been made subsequently to the execution of the purchase deed, so whether in that case the addition should sustain or not, this issue has been taken by Ahmedabad ITAT-C bench in the case of Hyphen Frozen Foods Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been reported in 110 ITR Tribunal Short Notes 37. And the date of the judgment is 14th February 2024. The facts of the case is like this. The assessee purchased land through a sale deed and the payment thereof was made subsequently. There was business relationship between the assessee and the landlord from year 2012. Payment for land was in dispute, and which was finally settled by the assessee through banking channels. After making the payment, the assessee also applied for the rectification of the sale deed about payment, and the landowner in the present case also gave the guarantee for the loan taken by the assessee for purchasing the land. But the learned assessing officer was not convinced with the assessee. It was the viewpoint of the learned assessing officer that since up to the date of the purchase deed, since the assessee has not made the payment, so it can safely be assumed that the payment has been made in cash. So he accordingly applied section 69 and made the addition. The assessee moved to the CIT appeal. CIT appeal also upheld the order of the learned assessing officer. When this matter came before the tribunal said that in the present case there is no documentary evidence available with the learned assessing officer that the assessee has made the payment in cash. The tribunal said that there are all justifiable factors for delayed payment against the purchase of the land, because there was some dispute between the seller and the purchaser, and the assessee has to take the bank loan, which was substantiated from the subsequent transactions because the seller has given the guarantee for the purchaser, that was the assessee in the present case, and all the transactions were through banking channels. So there was sufficient evidence which was given by the assessee to substantiate that whatever the payment has been made by the purchaser for the purchase of the land, that has been through banking channels. But the only point in this case was that the payment was not made up to the date of the execution of the purchase deed. And more importantly, in this case, the assessee has done, and the assessee has gone for the rectification of the purchase deed also, because in that rectified purchase deed all the payments were mentioned. So in any case, just because of the reason that the payment has not been made by the purchaser up to the date of the execution of the purchase deed, the addition under section 69 cannot be assumed on the basis of conjecture and surmises. So the tribunal deleted the addition under section 69 in the present case. Friends, we come across a number of the cases in the scrutiny assessments where the assessee proves his point beyond his capacity, but for one or the other reason, for example in this case the only ground for making the addition was that the payment was not made up to the execution of the purchase deed, and in the maximum number of the cases when the assessing officer makes the cross verification by issuing the notices under section 133 subsection 6, the additions are made just because of the reason that cross verification has not been done by the various vendors. But this is the law as on date. But the courts, especially the tribunals, gave the relief to the assessee on the point that if the assessing officer is not able to give the evidence that the payments have been made in cash, the addition should not sustain. At the end of this video, once again I am repeating the name of the case. The name of the case is Hyphen Frozen Foods Private Limited versus Income Tax Officer. This case has been reported in 110 ITR Tribunal Short Note 37. The matter has been decided by Honorable ITAT C Bench and the date of the judgment is 14th February 2024. Thank you, friends.